This will make you stop buying vegan Nutella, or at least a lot less often. This healthy vegan Nutella takes just a few minutes to make, no roasting hazelnuts, no blender, you just stir everything together. Now you know that I like to add a nutritious enhancer whenever possible, so if you want to easily add iron to your Nutella, stay tuned because I'll show you how. So we start with pouring 5 tablespoons of plant milk straight into your container. I'm using soy milk. You can use whatever you want. In fact, you can even use water. Yeah, use water if you want. Now I like to warm it up first. I use my Nespresso milk frother because heat makes everything melt effortlessly. But honestly, the warm milk is also optional. You can do it totally cold. You might just get a few tiny clumps, but it still works perfectly. Then add 2 tablespoons of hazelnut butter. You can use any butter, but hazelnut is the best for that classic Nutella flavor, and it smells so good. Next, you can also add vanilla powder, half a teaspoon. And here we are for the optional nutrition upgrade, where you can add Blackstrap molasses. I know I've been adding Blackstrap molasses everywhere in my bread recipes, in my porridge. It's really an easy way to add iron. For this Nutella, you can add anything between a quarter to half teaspoon of it. Don't add too much because it's very strong in taste, especially this one that's very, very thick, but very, very rich in iron. I stir it all until it's very smooth and creamy. Then add 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. Then 2 tablespoons of date powder or any sweetener of your choice. I like to use date powder because it's basically whole foods, whole dates that were dried out and turned into powder. Mix everything until completely combined. And this batch gives us about 3 servings, but I usually make this recipe as a single serving so I don't have any leftovers to snack on. And it's also so easy to make, you can make it on the spot. I just use a teaspoon instead of a tablespoon as a measure, and the ratios stay the same. But if you do use a tablespoon or even cups to make a big batch, this stores perfectly in the fridge for up to 1 week. And voila, enjoy it with your favorite bread, waffles, crepes. I'm having mine with some bread and berries for that vitamin C boost to enhance iron absorption. Needless to say that you can easily adjust the ratios to your liking, more sweet, more chocolatey, or more runny. It's completely up to you. Let me know what you think in the comments. Are you going to make it? In the meantime, bisous bisous, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!